guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video I'll be doing a wash and go with a viral combo featuring the Doux. So I have here the Doux Mousse Def, and I'll be pairing that with the Doux Big Poppa. So if you're interested in seeing that video and how it will work on my natural hair, keep on watching. Alrighty, so for this year, I have been saying that I don't really want to do too many wash and goes because of a few reasons that I would have listed in the video that I will put in the cards up above. But essentially, I don't think wash and goes will help me retain as much length as I can. So I am limiting how many wash and goes I do, but I really wanted to feature this combo on my channel. So I have both products here. I have used both of them separately and I enjoyed both experiences. Although I can say that after a while my hair got dry, but that's to be expected when you do wash and goes or any style that lets your hair remain out. But I want to see how those products will work together on my natural hair. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. I will apply some water to each section and we will get into the application process. Alrighty, so I will apply the gel to my hair first because when I was applying the gel alone to my hair, I realized that it had a softer hold than the Doux Mousse Def. So I will apply that first. The instructions from the creator do say to apply the products without a leave-in conditioner because both products or all the products from the Doux have leave-in properties, so you don't necessarily need a leave-in. I was really tempted to put a leave-in in my hair because I really don't want my hair to be too dry. However, I will give this a chance to prove me wrong. So here is the Doux Big Poppa. I am going to take this much and just apply it to my hair. It's starting to clump the curls, but I remember with this particular product it needed water to fully activate. So that's what I'm doing, and I can feel the curls clumping. I will do smaller sections for the rest of my hair, a little smaller than this, because I do want as much definition as possible. But I also think that this section is just fine. I can feel the curls clumping, so it is time to add the Mousse Def that I have here, and I believe I'm going to add just one pump. And here is the clumping that I am getting. I have enjoyed the Doux Mousse Def separately and apart, and it took a while for me to enjoy the Big Poppa, but this combination I think is going to work well for my hair. I will add just a little more water just to activate the product, because I do live in the tropics, so it does get pretty hot and dry at times. So here are the results for this section here, and I will continue that for the rest of my hair. There may be a time lapse, but if not, you'll still see the finished wet results, so stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I am back and these are the wet results. As I was styling this wash and go, I really did not miss the styling of wash and goes. It can be tedious at times, but here are the results. I can't wait to see how it dries. I am loving the definition so far. I hope that this combination will allow me to have some level of moisture, although with wash and goes you don't really have that much, especially since your hair is out. But we will see how it dries and I will show you quickly the wet results. I didn't think that I would have had enough mousse depth to finish my entire hair, but I finished and there is still a little left in the container, which is good. So I will come back either tonight or tomorrow to show the finished results because I'm going to let my hair air dry. So stay tuned for that. Alrighty, so it is the next day. I slept with my hair in a pineapple, so I'm just going to take the scarf off quickly and I will show you what my hair looks like now. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so my hair looks crazy, but the definition is still there. What I usually do is just shake my hair just make sure that it is out so that I can fluff it into place. Here are the finished results. My hair is about 95% dry, given the time of day I did my hair yesterday. To now, I really like the fluff that I have, the movement that I'm able to have as well. My hair doesn't feel too dry at the present moment, although I'm not sure how my hair will act for the rest of the week. I will more than likely have to put my hair in a puff in day 4 or probably day 5, just because of the volume that I have, but overall the definition is pretty good. My hair doesn't feel dry. It's not the softest wash and go that I've had, but my hair does not feel dehydrated at the present moment, so that is good. I will show you quickly before I end the video. Come to think of it, when I actually look at my hair, it reminds me of the results that I had with just using the Big Papa alone, and that was able to last me a few days before I felt my hair getting too dry for my liking. But yes, I would recommend this combo. It is a little bit more moisturizing than if you just used the Big Papa or the Mousse Def alone. I can foresee my hair lasting the rest of this week, which I am happy for. So I would give this combo an 8 out of 10 so far. I am staying away from wash and goes in general just because it can be drying for type 4 natural hair, but when I am ready to do another wash and go, this combo will definitely be an option if I have those products on hand. So those are my thoughts for this combo. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.